Hi friends, welcome back, and today I will be showing you how I made my granny square phone bag. This tutorial is great for beginners and it doesn't take too long to make. All you need to make are 4 granny squares, a long chain for your strap, and then a shorter chain for your drawstring. I was able to finish my phone bag in about 3 hours. If you want to learn more about this pattern that I made, then just keep on watching. For yarn, I used this recycled polyester number 3 from Daiso, and it calls for a 3 to 4 millimeter crochet hook. And speaking of crochet hooks, I used a 3.5 millimeter crochet hook. To begin your granny square, you are going to first make a magic circle. I recently made a tutorial. If you guys would like to watch it, I'll go ahead and link it. But afterwards, go ahead and chain 2 and make 15 double crochets into the magic circle. Once you are done, go ahead and close up the magic circle. Next, slip stitch into the very first chain 2 that you made. To start row 2, you are going to chain 3. This chain 3 will always count as your first double crochet. So next you will make 2 double crochets into that same stitch. These 3 double crochets will make one corner of your granny square. Next, chain 2 and you will skip 1 stitch. You will make a double crochet into the next stitch. After that, you will chain 2 again, skip 1 stitch and make 3 double crochets into that next stitch. This will make another one of your corners on your granny square. Continue this pattern all around and slip stitch in the chain 2. Row 2 should end up looking a little like this, and to start row 3, you will chain 3 again to make the first double crochet. In the next stitch, make 5 double crochets. Now that I have my 5 double crochets, into the next stitch we will make a double crochet. Now we chain 2 and double crochet into the last row's double crochet. Chain 2, and now we will make a double crochet into the next double crochet from the next corner. Make 5 double crochets in the next stitch, and again this will make another corner in your granny stitch. Make a double crochet in the next stitch, and now a corner has been completed. Continue this pattern all around and slip stitch at the top of the chain 2. Now that row 3 is finished, to start row 4 you will chain 3 again, and remember this will be the first double crochet. Next you will make 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Now make 5 double crochets in the next stitch. This will make your next corner in your granny square. Now you will make 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Now chain 2, and again you will make 1 double crochet in the last row's double crochet. Chain 2 and make 1 double crochet in the next 3 double crochets. Continue this pattern all around and slip stitch at the top, chain 2. Row 4 should look like this, and to start row 5 we will make another chain 3. This will make the first double crochet of our row, and next you will make 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches.
Now make 5 double crochets in the next stitch. This will make our first corner for our granny square. Now make 1 double crochet in the next 5 stitches. Chain 2 and make 1 double crochet in the last row's double crochet. Chain 2 and make 1 double crochet in the next 5 double crochets. This will start the next corner. Now repeat this pattern all around once again and slip stitch into the top chain 2. Cut and tie off. So this is what our granny square will look like once it's complete, and you will make 3 more for a total of 4 granny squares. To sew the pieces together, you will grab 2 squares and put them together, making sure that the right sides are facing together. You will insert your hook into the corner of your granny squares. So to do this, count 8 stitches, and in the 8th stitch, that's where you will insert your hook. Now bring up your yarn with a slip knot attached to it, and you will just go ahead and make a single crochet into that corner. You are going to make single crochets all along the entire edge. So in total you will make 25 single crochets. So this is what your bottom edge will end up looking like. And next you will bring your next 2 granny squares that you have left over and make sure that they are right side facing together, and you will find the corner of both squares and insert your hook into that stitch. You will slip stitch into this corner, and after that first slip stitch you are going to make 25 single crochets along the other side. So once you are done making another 25 single crochets, you are going to grab both panels and put them together, and after you put them together, you are going to turn your work. Next, slip stitch into the first single crochet, then chain 2, and then cut and tie off your work. You should end up with something that looks a little like this. And next you are going to grab your pieces and open your work where you made these single crochets and fold all your pieces right sides facing out. Starting from the bottom right corner, you are going to single crochet both squares together, having 25 on the bottom and 50 along the side. Stop at the top right corner to make the straps. To single crochet in this part of the granny squares, you are going to make 2 single crochets in the chain space. After that, you will make 1 single crochet in the double crochet stitch, and then make 2 single crochets in the next chain space. And you will have a total of 5 single crochets for this section. So after you have crocheted the bottom and the side together, now you will begin the straps. To sew the straps, I went ahead and chained 225, but remember you can make less and more to make a shorter or longer strap. Once you are done with your strap, you are going to insert your hook into the top left corner. So now that I have inserted my hook into the corner stitch, I'm going to make 1 single crochet. After the single crochet, you will make single crochets all along the other side. Now remember, this side will have a total of 50 single crochets. After this, you will slip stitch into the corner single crochet, cut and tie off, and weave in your ends. For the drawstring, make a chain of 100. Now remember, you can make this longer or shorter, but 100 is enough. Chain 2 afterwards, and now you can cut and tie off to have your drawstring. To attach your drawstring, you're going to go ahead and insert your hook behind the first in the middle double crochet post, over the next one and behind the next. Repeat this for several posts and pull through the drawstring. Next, repeat this process all around until you reach the end. Your drawstring should come out like this, and you are finished. Your bag is now ready to use. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, go ahead and let me know down in the comments, like and subscribe. I will be posting more crochet tutorials, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!